The Rwandan justice system was recently shaken to its core with a shocking revelation. A respected judge, Uwingabire Delphine, and her husband, Rwanda Theogene, were arrested on allegations of bribery. This news sent shockwaves through Rwandan society, raising concerns about the integrity of the judicial system. The arrest, executed by the Rwanda Investigation Bureau, is a stark reminder that no one is above the law. Uwingabire, a judge at the Gatunda Primary Court, was accused of accepting a bribe. This bribe was meant to influence her decision in a case before her court. Her husband Rwanda was also implicated in the scandal. He is accused of being an accomplice to his wife's alleged crimes. The arrests, made on February 3, 2025, have left many Rwandans questioning the very institutions meant to uphold justice. The arrests highlight the ongoing fight against corruption in Rwanda. The country has made significant strides in recent years in its pursuit of a corruption-free society. However, this incident serves as a reminder that the battle is far from over. The Rwandan government has made it clear that corruption will not be tolerated regardless of the perpetrator's position or status. The arrests of Uwingabire and Rwanda are a testament to the government's commitment to rooting out corruption. The message is clear: no one, not even those entrusted with upholding the law, is above justice. This case is a litmus test for Rwanda's justice system, demonstrating its willingness to hold its own accountable. The outcome of this case will be closely watched by Rwandans and the international community alike. Uwingabire Delphine, a judge entrusted with upholding the law and ensuring fairness, is accused of breaching that very trust. The allegations against her paint a picture of a calculated scheme to subvert justice for personal gain. It is alleged that she used her position to solicit a bribe from a litigant. This bribe, according to the accusations, was intended to secure a favorable outcome in a case being heard in her court. The details of the alleged bribery are yet to be fully disclosed as the investigation is ongoing. However, sources suggest that the bribe involved a significant sum of money. This money, it is alleged, was promised to Uwingabire in exchange for a ruling that would benefit the party offering the bribe. Such allegations, if proven true, strike at the very heart of the judicial system. Adding to the gravity of the situation is the alleged involvement of Uwingabire's husband, Rwanda Theogene. He is accused of being complicit in his wife's alleged crimes. While the specifics of his alleged role remain unclear, his arrest suggests that the bribery scheme may have extended beyond Uwingabire's actions alone. The involvement of a family member adds another layer of complexity to this already shocking case. These allegations have sent shockwaves through Rwandan society. Judges are expected to be paragons of integrity, their impartiality unquestionable. The accusation that a judge would betray this trust for personal gain is a deeply unsettling prospect. It undermines public faith in the judicial system and raises concerns about the prevalence of such unethical behavior within the judiciary. In the wake of these shocking allegations, the Rwanda Investigation Bureau sprang into action. Tasked with investigating serious crimes and bringing perpetrators to justice, the RIB plays a crucial role in upholding the rule of law in Rwanda. The Bureau's swift response to the allegations against Uwingabire and her husband is a testament to its commitment to ensuring accountability. Upon receiving credible information about the alleged bribery, the RIB launched a thorough investigation. This involved gathering evidence, interviewing witnesses, and building a strong case against the accused. The RIB's meticulous approach demonstrates its dedication to ensuring that justice is served, regardless of the individuals involved. Central to the RIB's investigation is the gathering of irrefutable evidence. This includes financial records, communication logs, and witness testimonies. The RIB's investigators are renowned for their meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that all evidence is collected and analyzed thoroughly. This meticulous approach is crucial in building a watertight case that can withstand scrutiny in a court of law. The RIB's role extends beyond just investigation. The Bureau is also responsible for apprehending suspects and bringing them to justice. In this case, the RIB acted swiftly to arrest both Uwingabire and her husband. Their arrests, conducted in accordance with Rwandan law, serve as a clear message that no one is above the law, regardless of their position or social standing. In many countries, the legal framework surrounding corruption is complex and multifaceted. Laws are in place to deter and punish corrupt activities, but enforcement can be inconsistent. Potential consequences for those found guilty of corruption can range from fines and imprisonment to loss of professional licenses and reputational damage. It's a serious issue that requires robust legal measures to address effectively. Corruption doesn't just affect the individuals directly involved, it erodes trust in public institutions and hinders societal progress. When people lose faith in their leaders and systems, it becomes challenging to implement policies and drive development. The ripple effects can be felt across communities, stalling economic growth and exacerbating inequality. This erosion of trust can take years, if not decades, to rebuild. Rwanda has taken a multi-pronged approach to combating corruption. The country has implemented stringent laws, established independent bodies to oversee compliance, and promoted transparency in both the public and private sectors. Education and community engagement are also key components of Rwanda's strategy, aiming to instill a culture of integrity from the ground up. By addressing corruption on multiple fronts, Rwanda hopes to create a more equitable and prosperous society.